Welcome back. Welcome back to the Retirement Railroad and the Matinee Modeler. Okay, today a tip. All right, I'm going to show you how to make some control panels. All right, and what not to do. All right. This panel was up here on the drill press. We're going to drill a hole through for the switch, and because I did not have it clamped properly, it shattered and broke a piece off, so I had to start all over, throw that piece away. So, a different control panel I'm working on. What I do, and you know, this isn't rocket science or anything, I use some pinstripe tape and tape off the track route, roughly. Alright. Then I come in and I paint it, and in this case I painted it black. I'm going to come back, and the black was painted in an enamel. I'm going to come back and paint with silver where the track lines go. But it's going to be an acrylic, and the reason being, I found out on the old ones, was it bleeds through if you use two enamels. It deteriorates the paint and comes out bad. So anyway, I'm going to use silver acrylic to paint in these lines. I've already drilled these holes, and if you notice, I've notched them because the little round switches I use have a notch so that the switch doesn't turn. But I still have to drill out the four corners, and hopefully I get those clamped properly, get them drilled out, and get the switches installed, and I can get the heat packing plant's sidings wired up and operational. Okay, so the tip of the day is make sure you get it clamped. I'll show you what that looks like here in a second when I drill out the corners. All clamped up. Let's drill some holes. Always want to do it nice and slow. It. One down, 3 more to go. Okay, holes drilled, lines painted, time to install some switches and wiring.